In this video, we will be studying about variables in algebra and we will be covering some questions on this variable, that how to form this equation. Now, variables in algebra are not fixed value. Variables do not have any fixed value, right? Which means that if a pen costs rupees 10, so if we have to find out how many pen will cost rupees 100, or we need to find the cost of 30 such pens. In that case, see, if cost of one pen is 10, so cost of many pen will be 10 into n, which means the number of pens. N is equal to the number of pens. If the number of pens are, let's say, 10, so the cost is 100. If the number of pens are, let's say, 20, the cost will be 200. If the number of pens are 30, the cost will be 300. So, the value of the variable depends upon what they have asked you to find out. Let's say the rectangle has 4 sides. So, the sides are fixed. So, this cannot be a variable. Variable do not have a fixed value. That depends on the question what they have asked you to find out the variable. And moreover, you can you can let any of the alphabet you want. Let the area will be A, B, C, D, M, N. Any variable you want according to your wish, you can assume that. Now the question is, the cost of a notebook is rupees 12 each. Find the total cost of M notebooks by the rule. Which means that the number, we have supposed that let the number of notebooks is equal to M, right? Cost of one notebook is equal to rupees 12. The cost of M notebooks will be equal to 12 into M. So M is variable here and this is the rule we have find out. Now we can put any value to M, so we will be able to find out the cost of those number of notebooks. Let's suppose M is 10. So the cost of 10 notebooks will be 12 into 10, 120 rupees. If I say M is 15, so the cost of 15 notebook will be 12 into 10, that is, let's say, rupees 180, right? So this way we can easily find out the cost of the notebooks given any number of the notebooks. The question is, if there are 50 mangoes in the box, how will you write the total number of mangoes in the terms of the number of boxes? So, the number of mangoes in one box is equal to 50, right? Let the number of box is equal to B. We have asked use B the number of boxes. So we have assumed that let the number of boxes equal to B. Now the total number of mangoes in B boxes will be equal to, if in one box it is 50, so in B box it will be 50 into B. So this is the rule we have find out. This is the equation we have find out. Now this is the question. Leela is Radha's younger sister. Leela is 4 years younger than Radha. Can you write Leela's age in terms of Radha's age? Take Radha's age to be X years, which means we have to assume that let the age of Radha is equal to X years. If she is of X years, then age of Leela will be, she is 4 years younger than Radha. If you are at the age of 12, your brother is 4 years younger to you, which means he is 12 minus 4. Same way, if the Radha is age of X years, so her younger sister will be X minus 4 years. So we have expressed the age of Leela in terms of Radha age. So age of Leela is X minus 4, means Radha's age minus 4. Find out if the Radha age is 14 years, what is the Leela age. Now if X we have taken as 14 years, now if X is 14 years, means the Radha's age is 14 years, the age of Leela is X is 14 minus 4, which is 10 years. So this is the main rule of variable, that anything you need to find out, you have to take it as X or any other alphabet and then apply the operations to it. I hope you have understood this. Do download our Scholars Learning app and enjoy the learning experience with us.